Hey guys, I am back today, and today I'm gonna teach you how to fix the motorcycle tire flat. So for that you need some tools. Without that tools you cannot fix your tire flat. So this one is the tire fixing flat. I just bought it from AutoZone, and you can see here there is one nail inside, and somewhere another is the second one, and I'm gonna try to fix both of them. Let's see how it goes. So you can see here is the second nail. So I just opened this box and I got these sticky sticks, then these stubs, and the sticks goes to the inside this. First you need to take this nail off from here. Okay, get this one, these two, and put it inside, so it will cleanse out everything. Okay, so now it's time to put that sticks on these stubs. I just leave it over here. Get these stubs, put it inside of this. This stuff is very sticky. Put halfway like this. Okay, now I got the rubber cement with these stubs. So you need to get this rubber cement on your fingers. And rub it all over the stick. Oh, it's literally smells like tire. I think this one basically that rubber cement uses for the extra stickiness on the tire. Okay, so pull this thing out and
So sweet, so sweet, so sweet.
Yeah. Put this in, and now twist
And remove.
and push it very quickly like this, so it will comes like that. And probably I need to leave it like this for a while and cut this thing off, and that's it. Your tire got fixed. Now I have the another one. I'm gonna fix that one too. Okay, so I fixed the first one. Now it's time to fix the second one. Second one looks very tricky, but it's not the inside, it's the outside. I don't know how much the bigger the nail is. So let's see. Oh man, look at this nail. Oh, air coming out. Oh, give me that one. So same process again.
It's died.
So halfway again, put the rubber cement. That's it for today. Let me know if you want to learn something. If you want to learn something, ask me in the comment. I will make the new video for that. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. See you.